places people live. Grown-ups go to work for a living every day. Children do school work and after school they play. Urban community, a busy city. Urban is a city with lots of people. Townhouses, apartments, and buildings fill the space. Taxis, buses, and jeepneys everywhere. Crowds of people are all over the place. In an urban area, people live near and closer to each other. There are lots of malls, shops, and grocery stores. Many places are close by in an urban area called city. Today's gonna be awesome because we're going to learn about the urban community. An urban area is a city community. It has lots of buildings and a large dense population. A large city has many people in it. It might have tall buildings called skyscrapers or high-rises. The buildings are used as offices for businesses or as apartments or condominiums which will serve as homes for its citizens. In the city, people live close together. There are not many backyards because the spaces are not enough. In addition to building apartments and condominiums, there may also be townhouses. Townhouse is a tall house that is connected to other townhomes. Tricycles, jeepneys, taxicabs, buses, and rail transits are also found in the city. Many people use those for transportation instead of having their own car. In a city, there may be some parks that people can go to walk, play games, or enjoy a picnic. Because there are not many backyards in urban communities, many cities have swimming pools for rent or recreation centers where people can go for exercise and fun. In the city, many things are close by. You probably won't have to go very far to get to a store, a restaurant, or a movie theater. You might even be able to walk to them. Because there are lots of people living in a city, there's often a lot of traffic and noise. These are examples of urban areas or city communities in the Philippines. Manila. Quezon City. Makati City. Pasig City. And Valenzuela City. Remember, an urban area is a city. Urban areas are very developed, meaning there is a density of human structures, such as houses, commercial buildings, roads, bridges, and railways. If the community is a city, it means that it is an urban area. Now that you've learned a lot about urban areas, I want you to answer the following. Are you ready? Number 1. Which picture is an example of an urban community? A or B? Yes! It's letter A, because in an urban community, houses and buildings are close to each other. Number 2. What are the things that we commonly see in an urban community? A or B? Right! Letter B, because in an urban community, the common mode of transportation are jeepneys, taxis, and buses. Also, there are lots of buildings, skyscrapers, and townhouses. Great job! Keep in mind, people around the world live in different kinds of communities and homes. Respecting the uniqueness of each person in a community makes us good citizens and helps us live in harmony with each other. Everyone in the community need to try to get along with each other and respect each other's differences for the community to function well. And when they do, a community is a great thing to be a part of. That's all for today. This is Teacher April saying, let's keep learning and growing together. See you next time. Bye!